Hi everyone, my name is Neil Lesher. I'm the founder of LeshTronix drone systems and the inventor of the PhoneQuad platform. Let me ask you this, how radical, how disruptive, and how futuristic would it be if I told you that you could literally let go of your smartphone, iOS or Android, and it would stay exactly where it is, hovering, stable and steady, in midair, so you could walk away from it and experience hands-free conversations, hands-free videos, hands-free pictures, controlling it with your voice from a distance via Bluetooth AirPods. What is PhoneQuad? Why is it important? And why does anybody need it? PhoneQuad, in its simplest form, is a hovering smartphone case. Lock your phone inside our proprietary airframe, open the flaps, and just let go. With a hard polymer shell, PhoneQuad will fully protect your phone indoors and outside. Part of my focus is based on this absolute fact. There are millions of people globally who suffer from hand-related medical conditions, and PhoneQuad is on a mission to set them free. The need to physically hold your phone will no longer be necessary. PhoneQuad is the future of hands-free communication using smart devices. We're working with a brilliant team of aerospace engineers who hold an elite status within the drone manufacturing community. The path we're embarking on now can never be reversed. Our patent-pending hardware and software will change the world forever. A successful campaign will take us from the prototype stages to a fully functioning product and then into mass manufacturing and eventually global distribution. And I don't want to forget to mention the incredible impact PhoneQuad will have on the world of social media. There are hundreds of millions of videos posted and shared via social media every 24 hours. PhoneQuad is going to take social media into a whole new realm. Our hyper-focused team of professionals are fully dedicated to the goals of a successful strategy. Why hold when you can hover? Ladies and gentlemen, this is PhoneQuad. You're looking at PhoneQuad. This is the future of hands-free communication using smart devices. Right now, we get a couple of minutes of flight time. Once our engineers get their hands on it, they're going to take it to a whole new level. Watch out, PhoneQuad is on the way. There's a lot of information on our Indiegogo page, and please remember to check us out at myphonequad.com.